Okay, I'm back. Right now I want to try to coax it into a little bit more of a round circle. It's not too bad, but I'm going to use a little lighter hammer and it's one of those motorcycle runs. Well, I think that'll work for what I'm doing. I'm just going to leave it hot. Clamp it in my vise. I've got a big ladle here with lead in it. Set that in there and melt that lead. I'm going to get a pair of welding gloves because that handle will probably get pretty hot. And as I melt that down, I'll pour it into that tube to add some weight to it. Might have to do it a couple of times to get it filled clear up. There she goes, she's starting to melt. pounds of lead here. Well, the bottom must be sealed because it's not leaking out there. Yep, one melt filled it clear up. With a little room to spare, a little lead to spare. Set this down where it can cool off. Wait for that to set up. I have a whole bunch of these rivets. I'll drill a hole through that piece of tube in the lead. I don't think I should have filled that clear up because I have to put that chain on there. Let me think about this a minute. Okay, it's still molten, so I'm going to take hold of this with my tongs. Loosen the vise. Pour some lead out of this. So I got room to put the end of that chain in there. My weld on the bottom must have held pretty good. The forge weld. I'm just going to stick the end of that in the water. Try to get this to cool a little quicker. Of course, I'm not letting the end into the water where the lead's at because I don't want an explosion. Well, that is hot. I don't know if you can see my bucket down here or not. Bucket of water. Okay, now we're all submerged. I'll clean some of that lead out of there. I got a visitor, so I'll be right back. We're melting some steel here, boys and girls. My rivet is just a little too long, so I brought out my little anvil that's got a cut-off tool for the hardy. See if I can do this. I've never done it before. Looks like it's working. There it is. Now let's round it off a little bit better. One of my projects I'm working on at the moment is a hardy tool, cut-off tool for this anvil. Now we got to get it hot. This is going to take 3 hands, I think. Let's set this back in here. Stick that in the hardy hole. good. So now I get that hot. I can stick it in there, lift it out of there, turn it over, and peen the small end. In theory. I got to get it in one shot though, because after I put it in there and start peening it, I can't bring it back to the fire. So far, so good. There she is. That'll hold things down, and I can move this around to where I want it to get it straight over the top if I need two hands to hit something. Another blacksmithing project complete. I'm having a ball out here. This is going to be my cutoff tool. I tapered the end of this yesterday so that it fits down in the hardy hole far enough that if it gets stuck I can tap it on the bottom and knock it up out of there. Now I got to do what they call set it back, where I'm heating this section here red hot, white hot, and then I'll hit on here because I want that to fatten out. That's the plan. That's the way it goes. Maybe I need a place to set this. Make a thing to set that in. Very cool. Thanks for watching.